This. Uh-oh.
Yeah. Boy. Surrender. The All-Father demands it.
No.
Good.
This fight is mine, boy. Go.
And where do you think you're going? Oh no, brother. The little freak's got a bow. What are we gonna do?
Don't tell me what to do. You'll not. Remember that
Listen, chap.
all your fingers.
Smooth line.
Unbelievable. You mean to oppose the might of Atlas?
You okay, brother? I almost feel bad for you.
Tommy! They got lucky.
Smooth.
I can't see.
Stay behind me, boy. Why do you hunt us? What does Odin want?
Don't know. Don't care.
Come here, half-breed. You're done holding Daddy's hand.
Shut up! Don't call me that!
Can't believe you've lasted this long. Those skinny little arms can barely lift the bow.
I said shut up!
Calm yourself, boy.
I'll take the run. Weak, scrawny. I bet Daddy's embarrassed after
Shut up!
Shut it out. Focus.
Looks like they need another lesson.
Oh, I'm more than happy to see you, brother.
I'll take the small one.
The small one's yours, brother.
Don't tell me what to do.
Right, that's just perfect.
I'll take the run. Weak, scrawny. I bet Daddy's embarrassed after dragging you around.
Shut it out. Focus.
How can you?
Hang on, lad.
Chameleon. I don't think we've forgotten about you.
Leave him alone!
I'm jealous. Hang on to yourself.
They need another lesson.
I'm more than happy to teach, brother. Weak and pathetic. Father will be so disappointed. Small one's yours, brother.
Don't tell me what to do.
Come here.
I can't remember the last time we faced much.
Call this a challenge. An old man and this stillborn life. Go big. Your mother ugly or something. She cut up your face so you do about her.
Don't talk about my mother!
Don't talk about my mommy.
Don't listen to him, lad. Trying to rile you up.
Idiots!
So strong.
The sons of Thor are welcome to try.
Head!
Sorry, overstepped, yeah?
We're
From behind.
for you. Heads up, assholes. Boys,
Stop it!
Boy! Stay focused.
I'll take the shot. Mommy, don't be. Too long stuck on the...
You bastard!
Atreus!
Looks like they need another lesson.
Oh, I'm more than happy to teach, brother. Go big plan. The small one's yours, brother.
Don't tell me what.
Come here, big squeeze.
Magnet!
Well, brother must have been some whore that made it the luck of him.
I'll kill you!
Atreus! Control yourself!
How did you... You have no idea what... You son of a bitch!
Sickness. Fever has returned.
No! It hasn't.
Roy,
The coffin, the blood. The boy's sick, he needs Freya.
No!
Steady.
I'll be alright.
There you go, lad.
I'm fine, see?
We should keep an eye on him.